In primetime news this evening, Children's Hospital faces more delays.
Government moves to curb student misconduct on buses. And
later, family of missing Manchester High student denies abuse claims. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A very special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Kalisha Williams. Now a little later on, we'll have the financial week, but Spencer is here with what's to come in sports.
Thank you, Kalisha. Well, the Reggae boys are trailing Curacao 1-0 at halftime in their CONCACAF World Cup qualifier. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Kalisha, very interesting times ahead. And Romain Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report. Romain.
Thanks, Anthony. Now, we do have a tropical wave that is expected in the Jamaica area over the next few hours. We're expecting it to pass across the island tonight, and we are expecting an increase in cloud showers and thunderstorms across most of Jamaica and the Central Caribbean this weekend. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
I'm thankful for the rain, Anthony, but not too much.
Not too much, not too much.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your expectations of the new Director of Public Prosecutions, Claudette Thompson?
And you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.